Could this be the cheapest Corvette ever sold in the world? I mean, I'm talking dirt cheap, almost feels like a robbery. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver. In today's episode, I will be showing you guys possibly the cheapest 2015 Chevy Corvette ever sold in the world. Before I get to that, let's talk about the evolution of the Corvette. These bad boys have come a long way since the 1950s. The new 2020 C8 is a game changer and possibly the hottest car ever released this year. Some might disagree, but this is just my opinion. It is a supercar. Yes, I said it. A supercar. The numbers are quite impressive on paper with huge specs like 495 horsepower, 470 pounds of torque, 0 to 60 speed at an impressive 2.9 seconds. A starting price of under $60,000. I doubt you'd be paying that much for it, but this one I built with a few additional extra added like the Z51 performance package, wheels, etc. came up to a little under $90K. Unfortunately, I will not be spending $90,000 on any vehicle. Cars are depreciating assets that should be acquired wisely. Also, this is a salvage rebuild channel. We just simply wait a year or two till it depreciates or it is sent to the insurance auction due to any accident, minor or big. This way we are rest assured we can get this at a significantly discounted price. Back to the cheapest 2015 Chevy Corvette ever sold. I waited all morning for this vehicle to come up on the auction block, only to be distracted the last minute, and I ended up missing out on the car. It was listed as an engine start, and the reason for it being salvaged was an accident involving the passenger side. Well, from looking at the pictures, I didn't really see any damages, and at $15,000, I don't care if I would have had to replace the engine or the transmission. I was still way behind what these cars are going for. Just look at these eBay listings. Now, I have been in the car industry for over 8 years, and I've never seen such a steal. Kudos to whoever won that bid. I'm sure this is probably the biggest steal that they ever came across as well. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this the cheapest Corvette ever sold? Is the 2020 C8 the best car released so far this year? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time on my salvage rebuild.